Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to sign out of mail on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to sign out your mail account from your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, and in settings you just have to scroll down and look for the app section, and here just look for mails app, and once you find your mail app, just tap on the mail app here, just select mail accounts, and you'll get all of your accounts you have signed in or login into your mail app. So let's say I'm going to select Gmail account here. You can directly delete your Gmail account from the settings. Now if you want to only deactivate your account or just don't allow your apps to use your mail, so you're gonna disable these toggles to deactivate your account or disable the access of your apps to your account. Or you can also delete your account by tapping on this delete account option and just select delete from iPhone, and your account will be completely signed out or deleted from your iPhone. So in this way you can easily sign out or delete your mail account from your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.